Today, I'd like to share about digital Obeya. Obeya means already United Lincoln Hospital, explained, big project room, right? And then I came from Dassault Systems. Dassault Systems is a French software company. And then total employees are 10,000. And then every aviation and automobile have to use this software. But anyway, why I joined? And this is all my physical Oobeya, means real Oobeya attached on the wall. So those are all my projects. First I joined with the JMAC, that Japan Management Associations. And you can see Automobile A, that's Toyota Motor Corporations. I work with many hybrid car and also small SUV. After that, medical equipment, and then MRI, CT scan, those stuffs. And also Mitsubishi Chemical, that's a chemical laboratory, change molecule, human genome, that's kind of very biotech activity also applied. And after that, went to Ford Motor Company, Germany. That's a sales, marketing, that's kind of project. Then their request was we have to increase Frankfurt district market share 2%. And then worked, achieved. And Volvo, car and truck, of course they are very strict about quality and also apply, Obeya. And GM, that's the worst project I saw before. Because GM used the same platform, engine, but the project member came from Alfa Romeo, Saab, GM, United States. And of course, Alfa Romeo people said performance, performance. Saab said quality, quality. And then United States, cost, cost. Opel said the productivity. Worst project I saw before. But just established these big rooms, suddenly became very quiet. And then we accomplished shortest development lead time. And then next one. Design studio in Italy. I also work with the fashion industry a lot, France and Milan. And Harley Davidson. Oh, today I saw two persons from Harley Davidson. Good, good, thank you. Actually, my best client, and then thank you for using. And actually, we made 5 platforms, Dyna, Softail, V-Load, and so on. That's also. But one of the characteristics of this my process is I experienced this big Obeya rooms, not only product development, factory, sales, marketing, almost all area. Also industry, you can see, not only automobile, airplane, chemical, any kind of industries. And after that, I joined Toyota Engineering. That's not Toyota Motor Corporations, but all members came from Toyota. And first my project is a Boeing airplane. So this project A is launch until 2025, very new airplane, carbon composite, new engine and everything. The Obeya worked. That phase up, we succeeded to make vice president executive Obeya. That's a big progress. That's kind of my dream. You know, they like blah, blah, blah. So how stop this blah, blah, blah succeeded? That's all my history. So this is a basic layout of Obeya. So you can see, start from objective area. What's objective and what is output, measurement, and then action board and issue board. Today, United Lincoln Continental member, hospital member explained perfectly. CAP, do S. Instead of PDCA cycle, this is a start from check current status. And action, plan, do. Thank you, my student. I'm so appreciate. Oh, yeah, thank you, David. But anyway, that's all history, so I do not share enough. But one importance is this action board, scheduling. Existing software for planning, not good. I strongly recommend the paper. like a Jane show, see, paper? Yeah, that's the best. You know why? We can capture history. See, here, 2 post-it delayed. Paper, post-it, capture, delay. And if a delay happened, we do 5 why very carefully. Why? No more delay. But existing software for planning is based on change schedule. Therefore, inside of this room, we try to change working habit and culture. But anyway, that's a basic layout. Next important rule of Obeya is only 3 layers. Top is executive, and middle is project, and the bottom is teams. But of course, even 100 people organization, same. Even like a big airplane, 10,000 organization, exactly same layout, only 3 layers. But organization structure, not necessary to change, same structure. But we have to change our way of work, accountabilities. But some company need like 5 layers. Such company, why? Because unclear accountabilities. Also organization, not so well structured, many issues. But such case, don't worry, just go ahead, 5 layers okay. And then they are implementing and slowly understood, aha moment we share. Aha, looks our organization strange. How can we change these 3 layers? That's discussion, and naturally became 3. That's another important rules. And one more important, this engineering vice president level Obeya is, first this horizontal is functions. You can see engineering, production, marketing, sales. And this is a project. Case of Toyota, Prius, Lexus, and so on. And then project leader of F, his most important role is have to set up target, QCD, quality, cost, delivery. Only 3, quantified. This morning, Lowry showed policy deployment. That's very matured level. But my suggestion, just a simple QCD is the best. But I join any kind of industry, we can apply this QCD, quality, cost, delivery, but also quantified. And usually when I explain this QCD means many people say, our product is very special, impossible, 3. And then I use these examples. Lexus LS 420, most expensive Lexus. This project leader used only 1 number, which is a door, close the door, cheap car, Pine. Lexus, of course, boom. See, only this number, and then this project leader drive big organization. I think this is a 21st century new management style. Just accurate, quantified target, drive big organization. See, in this how to say environment doesn't allow blah 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 target. Okay. Then team member, of course, their role is based on this target, have to set up their own target. That's a role. And also cross-functional team. That's where we are working. Our many company, many extra vice president, their role is like cross-functional teams. Okay. And then actually this is the engineering, their Obeya. So company target and the breakdown target, again cap, do S, engineering. But that's phase. I struggle a lot. Why? Needs information technologies. Usually, like a vice president Obeya, at least 10 people join. 10 people, and then 3 measurement, 30 measurement on the wall. See, impossible. And also vice president level, very sensitive numbers. So that company asked me, Takashi, do you have any solutions? Then I contacted Dassault Systems. Oh, you have. Actually, I waited this Dassault system, new technologies. And I thought, oh, time to leave. And I quit June and joined Dassault Systems. But I can show progress. This is the most of my favorite chart. You can see kickoff phase. This is American, United States, very famous electric companies. And then when I first joined with the CEO, asked CEO, what do you want to accomplish? He said, oh, of course, top of the world. And they have to contribute to shareholder. No. What do you want to accomplish? And then he wrote, you can see whiteboard, I want a revenue 100 million. And the profit, how much? After he wrote, asked his directors, and we break down the wall. This is not joke. Famous big American electric firm. It's very difficult to accomplish what I like to achieve. Then after breaking down, and then which kind of measurement do you have? Oh, I have 100 measurement. 100. Could you select only 3? No, Takashi, impossible. And then this question. So I explain very practical ways. Your executive, if they do not decide measurement, if you lost, if you lost 3 metrics, you'll be fired. Which one? Of course, this. Let's use this one. That's on the wall. See? And then after this, which kind of planning do you use? Oh, I have only Outlook. Okay, let's print out the Outlook. And then cut off the paper, attach to. That's most important phase. And then we invite all manager. Okay, please bring Post-it. And then you can see pink Post-it. And then write down kind, card issue please. And write down, attach it. And then actually this is in the middle phase, but they spend half day just answers. So CEO pick up document, read. This Brazil, the market share too low. How can we solve it? Oh, you're right question. Okay, yes. And after disappear all paper, we start long term. So that's a good kickoff. After 1.5 years, I came back. But you can see here, many A3. Here, measurement, long-term schedule. After 3 years, see, A3 became only one. Why? We aligned completely. That's big progress. Next one, long-term schedule disappeared. Now, schedule is a team. They can take care of everything. One more, measurement going to here. And then this area, more discussions. What are they doing? To accomplish target, they are discussing scenario to accomplish. And then during this implementation, aha moment, I heard like this. Oh, Takashi, after I join you, every week I have to change my role. That's the most important expectation for Obeya, growing there. See progress. But this phase is time to start IT. But some company, without lean activity, without a process improvement, just buy very expensive IT, very inflexible, big amount, doesn't work, inflexible, see? So therefore, combination, lean and IT is very important. Okay, next one. And then this is a digital Obeya. So now I'd like to share a demo quickly. Oh, patient, 10 more minutes. Demo, please. So this is just pretending, but digital Obeya, how do we use? And then we are developing one automobile. And Japan, project leader, United States design, and we are assembling China. And this meeting is just a progress meeting. And 30 minutes, 1 hour, 30 minutes. And of course, this layout is the best. But in Harley-Davidson, here and here, we use 2 big LCD screens, very complicated. Because of Harley-Davidson, impact is very important, visual presentation. But to manage this, we need 2 computers, right? And then we try another LCD, means 1, 2, 3 computers. Impossible to manage. What do we need? And then actually 2 projectors in 1 room. And then we can make the same condition with Obeya. So now our chief engineer is explaining, this is my new car, and then this kind of image, and then he used this side of the screen. That's we call it Obeya, one new computer, and then explaining specifications. So that's this side explanation and this side explanations. That's where we are working. And then this is most important. Compare last week, we have to change inside of instrumental panels. And then this is a long-term schedule. Now we are here. This software combination. So how to say, design software and the management software. This combination, just my expected digital Obeya accomplished. Then see, this is the last issue board. So very small visual. This is a very kind issue, and then who have to do what, when. Very clear. That's my expected. I think demo is enough. Anyway, some company, we already testing this prototype. Just my expected. And for example, this right side, this is a new CAD screen. Just click the mouse and it can open all parts. But anyway, that's two screen we can accomplish. Okay. Product complexity, 787, 6.5 million. That's a line of software. So software usually coding, go to blah, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and total 787 is 6.5 million. What do you think, Lexus? That's 100 million. Then Prius, almost close to 200 million. I work both industry. Still, like an airplane, cabin area has a CPU, and all connections, they manage one CPU. But car is a many microprocessor, therefore this number came. Even such complicated software, car industry launch without any problems. Why? That's we call quality into process, one tool. So process 1, 2, 3, and occurrence prevention of defect, the inspection, and we can deliver right on time, right first time. Another importance, outflow prevention. So process 1, first job, occurrence prevention, still outflow prevention. Perfect job, outflow prevention. And that's combination we can accomplish right on time, right first time. Which kind of tool do we use? And today we shared Obeya. Obeya is just one tool of center of here, but we need requirements, standardization of product, process, design review, multi-skilled engineer, check sheet, checklist and check sheet is different, and also feedback systems. Today, Dave shows today 53% people from hospital area. Let's apply hospital. So Obeya, Lincoln Hospital, yes, you have. Next one, requirements to maybe oncology operations. Which kind of requirements we need? One sheet of paper, see, bit tough. Next one, process standard. Doctor only knows in their brains. And then process, design, are they checking progress? And also personal training means a multi-skilled engineer. Means my background is engineering, but of course I have to learn software, electric, chemical. We call multi-skilled. Without a multi-skilled engineer, very difficult to accomplish occurrence prevention, auto prevention. Check sheet. Checklist is a big, long list. From here, we pick up one to make one sheet of paper. That's a check sheet. So some of our doctor wrote the checklist, for me, very strange. But anyway, and the feedback system is a historical problem. How do we reuse? Anyway, those we need. And Lincoln Hospital people, please try this. I know you are doing some off, but to accomplish without any requirements problems, that's the most important. And then now in Dassault system, I digitalized all. That's all my explanation. Finished. Just patience. When I first watched this message, if we have a right question, we can change the world. Ooh, just my policy came. If we have a right question, what we try to solve, I'm sure some area need IT, some area should not use IT. We need both combination for global product development. And then from this morning, Dan said, what's the role of IT? What's the role of Lean? For me, both same. I'm doing the same things to change the world.